Automotive maintenance Q&A. 1. What is the main function of engine oil? Lubricate moving parts, reduce friction, cool engine and clean sludge. 2. How often should engine oil be changed? Every 5,000 to 8,000 kilometers or 3 to 6 months, whichever comes first. 3. What does SAE 10W40 mean? 10W equals winter viscosity, 40 equals viscosity at operating temperature. 4. What is the function of coolant/antifreeze? Prevent overheating, prevent freezing, and prevent corrosion in radiator. 5. What is the ideal coolant to water ratio? 50-50 mix of coolant and distilled water. 6. What are symptoms of a faulty thermostat? Engine overheating, low temperature gauge, poor heater performance. 7. What is the function of the timing belt/chain? Synchronize crankshaft and camshaft rotation. 8. How often should timing belt be replaced? Every 60,000 to 100,000 kilometers depending on manufacturer. 9. What causes engine misfire? Bad spark plugs, ignition coils, fuel injectors, or vacuum leak. 10. What is the function of a spark plug? Ignite air-fuel mixture in combustion chamber. 11. How often should spark plugs be replaced? Copper 30,000 kilometers. Platinum/iridium 80,000 to 100,000 kilometers. 12. What is brake fluid DOT3 versus DOT4? DOT4 has higher boiling point than DOT3. 13. What causes brake pedal to feel spongy? Air in brake lines or low brake fluid. 14. What is the function of brake pads? Create friction against rotor to stop the vehicle. 15. When should brake pads be replaced? Every 30,000 to 50,000 kilometers or when thickness is less than 3 millimeters. 16. What is wheel alignment? Adjusting angles of wheels to manufacturer specs, camber, caster, toe. 17. What are signs of poor wheel alignment? Uneven tire wear, steering wheel off-center, vehicle pulling to one side. 18. What is tire pressure and why is it important? Air pressure in tires affects fuel economy, tire life, and safety. Check monthly. 19. What does P215/65R1698H mean on a tire? 215 mm width, 65% aspect ratio, radial, 16-inch rim, load 98, speed H. 20. What is the function of a battery? Provide power to starter, ignition, and electrical accessories. 21. What is the normal battery voltage? 12.6 volts when engine off, 13.7 volts to 14.7 volts when engine running. 22. What causes battery to drain quickly? Parasitic draw, old battery, faulty alternator. 23. What is the function of alternator? Charge battery and power electrical system when engine is running. 24. What are symptoms of a bad alternator? Dim lights, battery warning light, car stalls. 25. What is the function of air filter? Prevent dust and dirt from entering engine. 26. How often should air filter be changed? Every 15,000 to 30,000 kilometers or 1 year. 27. What is the function of fuel filter? Remove contaminants from fuel before it reaches injectors. 28. What causes poor fuel economy? Clogged air filter, low tire pressure, bad spark plugs, dirty injectors. 29. What is OBD2 scanner used for? Read diagnostic trouble codes from ECU. 30. What does check engine light mean? ECU detected a fault in engine emissions or transmission system.